Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe video update today. And Pepe has had a very small temporary bounce to the upside. So if you look at the weekly, we are probably at the very same place that last week, previously in the previous weeks, you started making some green candles. Is this the same scenario about to repeat again? Who knows, okay? But to me personally, I told you yesterday that if you're going to hold this yellow line, then it's good. I told you in yesterday's video that I was expecting a move down, so I'm just going to remove this technical target. Does look to me like it's not interested to go any lower right now, because the candle that you made yesterday is a very good one. You can see you've already made a hammer, and hammer in for Pepe is actually amazing, especially when you're making it right there at the yellow zone. Again, okay, touch here, move up, touch there, move up, and once again you just came down and you're at the very same place. Now this is known as demand zone, okay? So I'm just gonna say it's a demand zone, and where is the supply zone is going to be somewhere up to this level, okay? So this is where the supply really is. That means anytime you're going to be touching this box, you're looking to be rejected, and anytime you touch this box, you're looking to pump up. So demand, and the opposite is going to be the supply. Very simple, basic right there. Or you can just say support here, resistance there, okay? There's a lot of words that you can use, and if you want to learn more, just let me know on Twitter. Now for me, I do see that on the 4-hour time frame, Pepe is looking quite good, but one thing I'm going to make you aware of is that you might end up doing something like this as well, okay? And that can actually be a flag, but it's not in play, okay? Especially when you're in support, these are not flags, okay? Even previously when we saw it here, one could have thought that, oh, we're making a bear flag and we're going to move down, right? But we never did that, and you start to push to the upside. So whenever you're holding support, you might think that something is being a bearish flag. No, it's not. So for me personally, that means that, you know, if you're going to hold this place, your stop loss should be down there if that's something that you're looking to trade as well. I'm just going to take the measurement tool and see what kind of a risk we are talking about. So that's going to be 15% risk, and I'm not interested to do that. I'm not interested to place my stop here, if only if you're just using like very small amount of money, where 15% is not going to bother you at all. That's a different story. But personally, you know, if you're going to use 30% or 40% to trade, or even 100% perhaps, you don't want to actually place something that is so big of a risk right now. So yeah, 1 hour time frame, let's see how that looks like as well. And here we are. So the 1 hour time frame is probably breaking above, and you've actually broke above this little bit of resistance right over there. You can see that, okay? Because if I do zoom in there, but this is actually more visible on the 15 minutes time frame. And yes, so you had this resistance push up, came down. You're looking for that retest being held. So on the 15 minutes time frame, the time frame does suggest that this should be your stop loss, right? So you're looking for something from there to there, like a 3.54%. So you may risk 3.54%, and on a perfect scenario, because right now the 4-hour time frame is really done. It's really oversold. So I'm just going to dive into the 4-hour time frame. You can see that it's really down right now, nearly the support zone right there of the previous place. So what does that mean? Are we looking to pump back up? And if you're looking to pump back up, then keep in mind that this is where we're going to pump up. So we're going to take the trend line, place the trend line right there, and this trend line is looking to push up right over here, okay? So one resistance, and if you climb back up, that's another resistance. But you do have that opportunity, and that's going to be a move up of 18%. So that's it for this quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.